The epidermis is the most important protective barrier of the body. The microbiome, an ecosystem where several microorganisms that keep the natural balance of the skin coexist, is there. This ecosystem is subject to daily aggressions that deteriorate this balance, affecting the health and beauty of our skin. Lendan has created Essential Reload, the first professional treatment with prebiotic components that prepares, repairs, and protects the skin. Essential Reload prebiotic components promote the growth of beneficial microorganisms that can be naturally found in the skin, thus reducing the possibility of proliferation of harmful bacteria to restore and maintain the balance that the skin needs. The result is a balanced microbial flora and a clean, healthy, and radiant skin. Essential Reload, a prebiotic load that balances the skin.